quick video walk around of my 2018 Tiffin Phaeton 40IH. I have a lot of stills that I'll be still photos, but this is just a quick video. We talk through some things. That's the electronic controls for the Spider controller. This is the house battery bay. Recently been serviced, fluids and sealant on the terminals. Here's the two slide out bays. Slide out bay number 2. In there is some of the window coverings, the snap-on window coverings to help shade the windows when you're parked. So there's some of my blue ox equipment in the middle. That's only if somebody buys the blue ox, otherwise that'll be gone. There's also extra porcelain tiles in case they're needed. There's the wet bay, the hose. Currently I have a heated coil around the hose because we're in Colorado, but it's starting to warm up, so I'll be taking that off. You know, the black and the gray. I just dumped the gray, and the water pump is down there. I had all these bays empty and professionally cleaned, and but I put some of my stuff back in there, so it looks kind of crowded, but all that's going to go. That's the electronic or the power cable coil, and that yellow hose is your air hose. If you want to hook up to the one of those air valves, you can fill up your tires, stuff like that. That's the DEF storage. Right here is the sewer hose storage. Furnace there. This is the back of the rig. I'm not going to open that. There's a still photo for that. This is one of the electronic bays with some of the cutoffs for battery and power. This is the chassis battery. So there's 2 batteries to start the engine and all that. And those are all dated as to when they were purchased. There's a few more shutoffs in there. These are just some storage bays. Again, these were all empty and clean. I just put some things back in there that I'll be emptying. Also, this one's another pass-through. It's not a slide out. And then again, this is the other side. That's the freezer that goes with the, the basement freezer that goes with the Phaeton. I have another few bins that are gonna come out here. Here you have your propane tank, as well as a little fitting so you can hook up an external propane tank, so you can draw from both. That's the hydraulics for the jacks. And that is pretty much it for a quick external. All this is going to be washed and waxed as soon as the weather's better, but actually it looks quite nice really right now, but I'll do some more cleaning on it. They'll have the windshield wiper covers on. Glass is all good. No chips, no breaks, no nothing. I have some still photos of all the headlights and working. And yeah, this side has a couple of awnings that I put back in because I don't need to keep them out because I'm getting ready to head out. All right, and that's there are slide toppers. Anybody familiar with this model knows most of these features. So I opened up the generator drawer, which is right in the front of the coach. There's a little switch in there that opens up this bay. So this is the Onan 10,000 kilowatt generator. It's got 162 hours on it. We don't use it very often, but I did want to show the this little bay here to access the oil, and then the oil filter. The oil filter was new on 6/3/21 at 118 hours. So basically, this oil change and filter, that's just what, 100 or that's 50, about 50 hours really have been on this generator since it was last serviced. Now, that goes with the coach as well. The Cummins diesel also has the date on the filters. They're kind of back underneath the coach, but it was all done at the same time, 6/23/21, and I'll have the mileage posted when I post the picture. That's it.